So the next knife skill, I'll demonstrate how I do it, is the Julienne. Julienne is a French word, and we're going to cut strips of vegetables. I'm going to use this pepper for this demonstration. So, right, pepper. I'm going to take 2 sides off the pepper, like so. Save that for someone else. Okay, I'll just take that bit out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, again, I've got my chef's knife. We want nice strips, Julienne, of pepper. So again, using my fingers, you run my knife down my fingers, down my knuckles, just to get a nice strip of pepper. So, see that? Cool. And then with the peppers, I've done one like lengthways. I'm going to turn the pepper as well across that angle, so it gives a slightly different shape of the strip of pepper. Like that. Just using your knuckles to work your way down the pepper. And there we go. Cool bananas. Cool bananas, man. So just a quick look at that. So that's the knife skill of Julienne, or strips. See that? Using my chef's knife.